on lucky Shamrock Day. Wear your shamrocks, so let's go play. Marching parades in a happy way. Hooray, hooray, it's St. Patrick's Day. Long ago in Ireland's land lived a man so brave and grand. St. Patrick came to teach the way and spread some love that's here to stay. He used the shamrock, 3 leaves bright, to show us what is wrong or right. Faith, hope, and love, he'd say. That's why we celebrate this day. Oh, it's green, green, green on lucky Shamrock Day. Wear your shamrocks, let's go play. Marching parades in a happy way. Hooray, hooray, it's St. Patrick's Day. Green hills sparkle on the skies of blue. Leprechauns hide the gold from you. If you catch one, don't let him stray. He'll grant our wish on St. Paddy's Day. But watch out, the tricky little guys with magic hats and twinkling eyes. Follow rainbows where they lead. You might just find the pot of gold you need. In cities big and towns so small, parades bring fun for one and all. Bagpipes play, drums loudly say, come join the cheer on this special day. Floats roll by with colors gay. Everyone dances in a joyful sway. Wave your flag, shout hip hip hooray. Let's make today our happiest day. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, dance like leprechauns when you meet. Spin around, shout hip hip hooray. It's time to party on St. Patrick's Day. Oh, it's green, green, green on lucky Shamrock Day. Wear your shamrocks, let's go play. Marching parades in a happy way. Hooray, hooray, it's St. Patrick's Day. So wear your green, be proud and say, happy, happy St. Patrick's Day. Remember stories told today of faith, hope, love, and lots of play.